Which LED lights for motorcycles are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the best options. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Elegancy Wireless LED Strobe Lights. At just $12.99, these lights caught my attention with their impressive 8 color options and remote control feature. If you want a budget-friendly way to boost your visibility while riding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 8 vibrant colors and 10 different modes like quick flash and slow blink, you can customize your visibility based on your riding conditions. The wireless remote works within 7 meters, making it super convenient to change settings on the fly. Plus, the waterproof design means you don't have to worry about rain ruining your ride. It even has a remarkable 30+ hours of battery life in flash mode, so you can ride confidently without constantly recharging. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being as strong as expected. Here's the thing though, while they might not light up the night like some high-end options, they definitely get the job done for casual riding and emergencies. If you're mainly commuting or enjoying short rides, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use strobe light for your bike. Skip this one if you're aiming for maximum visibility during night rides or complex situations. Now, if the brightness issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a higher lumen output.
Product number 2. Okmok Upgraded Wireless LED Strobe Lights at $33.98. This product stood out to me because it boasts 4 LEDs in each unit and a Type-C fast charging feature. If you need something that really shines bright and lasts long, this one is definitely worth checking out. With its 8 colors and 10 modes, just like the previous option, it also has an impressive battery life of up to 60 hours in flash mode. The Type-C charging means you can juice it up quickly in just 60 minutes. So if you're out on a long ride, you won't have to worry about your lights dying on you. Plus, the waterproof design ensures they can handle some tough weather. Now, some users did point out that the initial setup can be a bit tricky, especially when activating the lights for the first time. But honestly, once you get past that, it's smooth sailing. The brightness and longevity definitely make it worth the effort. This is ideal for you if you want something that balances performance and convenience. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler installation process without the need for a learning curve. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a customizable lighting experience.
Product number 3. Shynite Motorcycle LED Light Kits. Let's talk about the Shynite Motorcycle LED Light Kits, priced at $26.99. What grabbed my attention was the ability to sync with music and create a party atmosphere while riding. If you want lights that can enhance your fun and experience, this is a strong contender. With 16 million colors and DIY features, you can completely personalize the look of your bike. The music sync mode means these lights will actually dance to your tunes, making your rides a lot more exciting. Plus, it's designed with IP67 waterproof material, so it can withstand splashes and rainy weather. One downside I noted was that some users found the app interface a little confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it opens up a whole new world of customization that could really make your bike stand out on the road. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your ride and want to express your personality through your bike lights. Skip this if you're more interested in straightforward functional lighting without the frills. Now, if you're looking for something more comprehensive with safety features, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 4. LD Dark Eagle RGB LED Light Kits. The LD Dark Eagle RGB LED Light Kits, available for $39.99. With 96 high brightness LEDs and various dynamic modes, this kit is designed for those who want their bike to shine during night rides. If visibility is your top priority, this is a great choice. These lights provide a vibrant RGB illumination that's perfect for night riding and have 16 million colors along with music sync mode. There's even a unique brake light feature that enhances safety by illuminating in bright red when you slow down. This is particularly useful during group rides or in heavy traffic. However, some users mention the installation can be a bit challenging, especially when trying to hide the wiring. I'll be real with you. If you're up for a little DIY, the safety benefits and eye-catching effects might make the effort worth it. This is ideal for you if safety and visibility are your main concerns while riding at night. Skip this if you prefer a plug-and-play setup without the hassle. Now, if you're looking for a more straightforward option that still delivers on brightness, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Nightlight RGB LED Light Kit. We have the Nightlight RGB LED Light Kit, priced at $36.99. This one caught my eye because it offers a solid balance of features and ease of use. If you want a reliable light kit without breaking the bank, consider this option. With 15 static colors and various dynamic modes, you can easily create an eye-catching display for your bike. The IP68 waterproof rating means it's built to withstand tough conditions, giving you peace of mind while riding in the rain. The remote control allows for easy operation without needing to reach for your phone, which is a nice touch when you're on the go. Some users did mention that the remote range could be an issue, stating it works best within 10 meters. Here's the thing though, for most riders that range is more than sufficient, unless you're looking to control it from a distance. This is perfect for you if you want something user-friendly that still delivers on aesthetics. Skip this if you need a highly customizable system with numerous features. So there you have it. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, from budget-friendly strobe lights to comprehensive kits that enhance safety and style.
In conclusion, whether you're after budget-friendly strobe lights, customizable kits, or products that enhance safety, there's an option for everyone. The Elegancy and Okmak provide great visibility on a budget, while Shynite and LD Dark Eagle offer fun and functionality. Finally, the Nightlight strikes a nice balance between ease of use and performance. Choose based on your riding style and enjoy illuminating your ride.